Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Muzzy Trocar is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any serious bowhunter, offering unparalleled precision and devastating cutting power that ensures quick, clean harvests in the field. When you're out there facing the challenges of the hunt, having a broadhead that you can trust implicitly is paramount, and the Muzzy Trocar consistently delivers the performance that seasoned hunters demand, making it a standout choice for those who prioritize effectiveness and reliability above all else. Number 5. Muzzy 3-Blade Archery Broadhead. Experience bone-crushing penetration with our hardened steel trocar tip. It ensures maximum penetration and enhanced flight stability for your hunt. These 3-blade crossbow broadheads come in a convenient 6-pack, also available in 125 grain. Achieve superior performance with every shot. The larger diameter ferrule and interlocking blades improve flight stability. This design matches your crossbow bolt for better penetration. Featuring vented .020-foot stainless steel blades, they offer a wide 1 to 3/16 cutting diameter. Enjoy durability and cutting power. Since 1984, we've been a leader in fixed-blade broadheads. Trust in a product proudly made in the USA. What we like. Experience bone-crushing penetration with its hardened steel trocar tip, ensuring maximum effectiveness. Its larger diameter ferrule enhances flight stability, making it a reliable choice. If you're looking for a proven, USA-made broadhead that prioritizes deep penetration and stable flight, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to assemble. Very sharp. Good penetration. They arrived on time and were easy enough to assemble. Just make sure you assemble them correctly, or they will feel loose. Already took a doe and used another to shoot the neck of a turkey and take it as well. It was a bit tricky to learn how to put them together, but once you find the trick you'll realize it's very simple and they are razor sharp. My finger slightly grazed one and right away you could feel it. Number 4. TenPoint EVO-X Montec 100 grain broadhead. Experience maximum strength and unparalleled accuracy with this fixed blade broadhead. It's designed to hit your target precisely every time. This 3-blade design features a cut-on-contact tip for a devastatingly effective wound channel. Achieve a massive 1/1/8 inch cut with every shot. Engineered for high-speed crossbows, its one-piece MIM construction and diamond-cut sharpness ensure durability. It's built to withstand extreme performance. The rugged, 100% steel ferrule provides exceptional strength. Combined with scalpel-sharp steel blades, it offers unmatched performance in the field. When you choose this system, you're equipping yourself with top-tier hunting accessories. Achieve your hunting goals and fill your freezer with confidence. What we like. Achieve pinpoint accuracy with this fixed-blade broadhead, built for high-speed crossbows. Its cut-on-contact design delivers a devastatingly wide cut for quick results. If you demand maximum strength, accuracy, and a superior hunting experience from your equipment, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Arrow and broadhead flew straight as intended and target struck. Shot a buck at 18 yards and he did not make it 50 yards. The damage was devastating. Sharp and accurate. The black broadheads are the only way to go. These broadheads are super tough and hard. I did a pass-through and buried the broadhead into a tree almost shaft deep. Cut the broadhead out of the tree with a sawzall and a pocket knife and the edges were still razor sharp. Number 3. Muzzy 225 Bowhunting 100 grain broadhead 6-pack. Introducing the Muzzy 225 Bowhunting broadhead. Engineered for superior performance in the field. Experience bone-crushing penetration with its hardened steel trocar tip. This design ensures maximum penetration and enhanced flight stability. These 100 grain, 3-blade broadheads are designed for use with standard inserts. They provide excellent performance for your hunting needs. Featuring .020-inch blades with a 1 to 3/16 inch cutting diameter. The anodized aluminum ferrule ensures durability and precision. The vented stainless steel blades offer cut-on impact performance. Their hollow ground design is key to its exceptional penetrating ability. Founded in 1984, Muzzy is a leading name in fixed-blade broadheads. We are proud to say they are made in the USA. What we like. This broadhead offers exceptional bone-crushing penetration thanks to its hardened steel trocar tip and cut-on impact blades. It's designed for excellent flight stability and is proudly made in the USA. If you prioritize deep penetration and reliable performance from a trusted brand, this option is a solid pick. What people say. I agree with the reviewers, these are reasonable in cost, easy to assemble, and seem like they'll be highly effective. I was especially pleased with the carbide points and razor edges, the latter fit in well and came out of the packaging truly sharp, while the former were extremely hard, and fit the rest of the broadhead well. Also, once assembled these have no moving parts. Just as I dislike any shaving device with more than 2 blades, my face isn't any smoother, and you can only cut off a hair once. I also dislike any arrowhead that has to unfold or click into position to do its job. Muzzies are awesome, perfect price point, and you get a really quality straight broadhead. And yes, they come disassembled, but don't think they are gonna be poor quality like the Allen ones you get from Walmart or the cheap ones on here, cause they actually have quality control on these. All 6 you received and have ever bought have fit together tight and chisel tip screw right down flush, and the spin almost as true as my more expensive Magnus heads. Number 2. Muzzy MX 3 fixed blade broadheads, 100 grain 3 blade. Experience improved accuracy with this compact design. Its shorter profile ensures your arrows fly straight and true, minimizing drift and wobble for consistent performance. Achieve quicker, more humane results with a wider 1/14-inch cutting diameter. This creates larger wound channels without sacrificing flight accuracy or tight grouping. Tackle tough surfaces with confidence. The robust trocar tip design drives deep for complete penetration, no matter the angle or impact point. Benefit from reduced drag and enhanced flight thanks to the precise 0.025 blade construction. These blades maintain their sharpness even when cutting through tough materials. Enjoy a lighter overall arrow weight without compromising durability. The aluminum ferrule offers the strength you need while being lighter than steel. What we like. Benefit from a compact design that ensures your arrows fly straight and true, without drifting. It boasts a wider cutting diameter for quicker, more humane results. If you're seeking a broadhead that balances accuracy with a larger wound channel and a lighter overall arrow weight, this is an excellent contender. What people say. The beauty of these are replaceable blades and even practice blades you can buy to tune in your setup before the hunt. They fly right on target with my field points. My field points will go through about 6 inches from the target at 20 yards. This is a tough target. My bow is at 65 pounds with a 310 frames per second IBO rating. The Muzzy went through a good 12 to 14 inches. Very impressive for a broadhead to go that far. And afterwards, no damage at all to the broadhead. With a 320-foot SEC crossbow, it went clean through a large doe. So sharp, that the doe didn't realize it had been hit and calmly walked 20 yards before sitting down and then quietly died about 2 minutes later. Tested them on my target before hitting the field. At 30 yards they grouped well with my field tips and occasionally went right through target. Very sharp. Number 1. Muzzy Trocar Replacement Blade 6-pack. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance for your Muzzy 290, 291, 292, and 294 Trocar broadheads. No more guessing which broadhead model you have in your quiver. This kit includes 6 blade sets, matching screws, and an Allen wrench. Everything you need to refresh your broadheads is right here, saving you the hassle of searching for tools or hardware. With 18 blades in total, you can keep your entire trocar collection sharp and ready for the field. It's a more economical choice than replacing entire broadheads when the edge is dull. Keep your spare blades protected and organized in the included storage case. No more loose blades rattling around or getting damaged during transport. These blades arrive pre-sharpened and ready for immediate installation. Their consistent edge geometry matches the original specifications for reliable cutting performance. What we like. Ensure perfect fit and performance with these replacement blades designed for the Trocar series. This complete kit includes everything needed to refresh multiple broadheads, offering great value. If you own Muzzy Trocar broadheads and want an economical way to keep them razor sharp and field ready, this is the perfect solution. What people say. These are the best broadheads for my crossbow. Excellent broadheads. Since going with these broadheads, we have not had an unsuccessful hunt. Brought down an awesome 8-point buck with one. As advertised. Small components with sharp edges, but that is what they are intended for, just be careful and take your time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.